sing one song for the idol. The man will still represent the other thing. It's gonna be an annual thing from this time until ever. So big and next serious, isn't it? You don't know, big up Humphrey and Esther and the whole works, the whole Freetown. Kiss the man and the whole works and the woman and everybody come support you and come out, we love it. Jump the second shot because we are rising star. Kill is yourself, but determine that they are the same way. You're a blessing to the people there. Listen, let us the second shot, them sail it down to the phone calling them proper guests. All of the rising people that know that can't stop you in the night. Listen to the crowd. They might try and fight with the can't hold it down, can't wear a jobless. Next, now listen to the crowd. What am I fighting for? So that's the jobless spirit now.